Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to install virtual machine on Windows 10. So in order to install virtual machine, first we need to download virtual machine. So in order to download, we need to go to the browser, click on any browser that you're using here and click on download VMware Player. You see the screen. On the first screen, click here. Now once it is loaded, you'll see this screen. Now if you see this screen, alright, you have to click on this button. Alright, click on this link. Now once you click on this link, it will be downloaded. Click on download now. So once you click on the download link, I'll be giving you the link for downloading the VMware in the description below. So you start downloading. Now I've already downloaded this file, so I'll not download this file now. I'll cancel it. So I'll go to download. So I'll go to download section here, my computer. And you'll see something like this. This is the downloaded file here. Alright, right click and click on run as administrator. Now it is preparing for our installation in virtual machine. Here you'll see a screen here. Click next. Click on I accept the terms in the license agreement and click next. Now keep it as it is. Now if you want to change the part where you want to install the VMware, you can change here. Now I recommend you to change the path. Alright, why? Because sometimes when your operating system get damaged, all your software will also get damaged. So in order to save your program, save or install your program on different drive, not on C drive. So I'll go there. I'll not go to local disk here. I'm going into D drive. Under software files, I've already created a folder named virtual machine. Okay, you create your own folder and install your VMware on that folder. Click OK. Click next. If you want to check for the product update on startup, you can keep it as this. Now I don't want to get updates for this software, so click next. If you want to join the VMware customer experience program, you can keep it as it is, but I don't want to join the VMware customer experience improvement program, so I'll close this one and keep next. Create shortcut for VMware workstation 16 player in the following phase. Okay, I'm going to keep in my desktop, not in my start menu folder. Keep next and click on install button. Now it will start installing VMware in our Windows 10. So once it is completed, it will click on finish and your VMware is ready to work. This is my VMware shortcut icon. Now click on use a VMware workstation file for free for non-commercial use. Click on continue. Okay, click on finish, and your VMware is ready to go. So if you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.